Hello, welcome to the Siemens Software 2025 conference where we're going to help you become more successful with your software. Some of the things that we're learning as we go along the journey that is going to help you in the future is immersing yourself in NX immersive engineering with a product from another company called Sony that's going to be beneficial to you down the road, so look for more information on that in the near future. As we walk along, we have a tremendous partnership with AWS, again, making sure that your information, your data is not only cloud enabled, but protected with all your IP that you leverage from your operations standpoint. Being able to support you, right? Whether it's licensing, activation, enabling your licenses on the cloud, which is a whole new X application, is going to be really innovative and helpful for you in the near future. If you have any tie-ins, you're looking for co-op programs, there's a really neat academic program that Siemens supports, that we support in conjunction with them, that's going to help you find the best talent now and in the future. Don't forget, outside of the CAD, digital prototyping, physical prototyping. And when you're developing these products, it's also important to have the right electrical components. So there's a vast array, a robust system under the capital umbrella, that Siemens calls it, that's going to give you the ability to connect all the wire harnesses, electrical systems, to make sure that your products are effective in the marketplace that you're supporting and that you're selling to. Also, what's important, and you can pan to this, is hello, protecting your data. So it's also important to make sure that you have a very robust place, what we call it the one source of truth, protecting your data and knowing where to pull the latest revisions of your data. And one of the ways that you can do that is through a very robust system called Teamcenter. And then finally, another endless possibilities for you is Polarian Application Lifecycle Management, to help you verify and validate your data, so that again, you're creating a very robust, streamlined workflow process for you and your organization. So again, we want to welcome you. We want to give you the opportunity to learn as we go. This is a great opportunity for us to have future conversations with you about the X products, as well as all the innovative tools under the Siemens umbrella. We look forward to having a chat with you in the near future. Thank you so much.